One of the main things people ask us is how much is a foundation repair going to cost? Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to talk about some of the factors that affect the cost of foundation repair. Ideally, you're able to catch your foundation movement early by noticing some of the visual signs like a thin line in the tile or a little bit of sheetrock cracking, or maybe that French door to your office is one side sticking and the other isn't. Or maybe you're mowing the grass and you notice a little bit of movement in your expansion joint. If you can catch it early, your foundation repair might be as low as $3,000 to $5,000. That's a simple little exterior corner, but then if you wait, all of a sudden that crack gets bigger and then you get highly motivated because your front door doesn't work. All of a sudden at that point, maybe you're doing the entire front of your house and that goes to more like $8,000 to $10,000. If you wait a really long time, then it starts progressing into the house, into the interior of the house. That's when the costs amplify because you're having to replace flooring, you're having to do a lot of repairs after the foundation repair is done. The foundation repair at that point usually is around $12,000 to $15,000. Some of the outliers are $50,000. So if you see foundation movements, foundation problems, don't wait. Call Deep Rock Foundations for your free evaluation. There, we're gonna draw up a detailed plan of your foundation and map out the elevations and then show you where you're at today. Deep Rock Foundations has served thousands of customers in your area, and we're proud of our customer satisfaction 5-star rating all over town.